Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily add invoices to your WordPress site. We're going to use a plugin. The plugin is called Quip Invoices. You can find a link to the plugin in the show notes below this video. It's free and super easy to use, and I'm just going to quickly run you through how exactly the plugin works. Once you've installed it, you'll want to go in and update some of the settings. This is where you'll enter your company name, details, your logo, change some of the colors, that kind of stuff. You can also set up your payment details, how you would actually like to receive payment on the invoice. The free version supports PayPal. If you'd like to use Stripe, you're going to have to upgrade to the Pro version, and you can find the link there. Also, you can set up some email details and configure the emails that are sent to your customers. They get reminders as well, and you configure all of that here. Next, you can choose how you want to get notifications. Do you want them to send an email when somebody pays, send emails to your clients when invoices are due, that kind of stuff. And finally, you can export the invoices and the payments and all of that good stuff, so you can keep track of exactly what's going on. Nothing too difficult there. Just take a few minutes to set that up. Once you have that set up, we can go ahead and we're going to just show how easy it is to create a little invoice here. So I'm going to create an invoice. The numbers auto increment. It chooses today's date. You can change that. You can choose the date it's due. You can make these recurring. Again, that's a feature in the Pro version, but if you had like monthly invoices going out, or quarterly or weekly or whatever it is, on this invoice we can include some notes for the client right here. We'll also can choose the client. You can either add a new one, or in this case I'm just going to use one that we've already set up just in our test environment here. Then you get to add the items on the invoice. So maybe you did some web design and you're charging $65 an hour, and that was 10 hours of web design that you had there. So you can add that in. Maybe you're a landscaping and gardening company, and you did some landscape design, and that was for $75 an hour, and you got 5 hours of that. You could add that. Maybe you're a different professional services company, but anyway, whatever line items you want, you can put in there. As you can see, you can also add a discount here and have that in there, and the system will automatically calculate the amounts and subtotal it. If you'd set up tax, it would calculate tax and add that on there. You can also choose the different payment types. If you had Stripe in the Pro version, you'd be able to pick that as a payment type. Finally, you can also save it as a template. So if this is an invoice that you use regularly, maybe you have a standard set of services and you just want to include the same invoice, you can do that here. I'm going to go ahead and create the invoice. Okay, that's been done, and as you can see, it's number 10. It's been created, and it is ready to send. So once it's there, you can simply send that on to the client. And it will pop up with what you'd configured in your email, your standard setup. If you want to add anything custom, now is the time to do that. If you want to attach a PDF, PDFs again are in the Pro version, but that's something that's there. You can add your own attachments, and then you send the invoice, and that gets sent over to the client. As you can see, the status is currently that's been sent. And here we are. That's the invoice that would have. That's the email, that the client would have received. They can go in and view that, and it will simply show them the invoice. They can choose to pay for it right now. Hit that button, and using PayPal, they can pay for it. It's that easy. If we go back to our invoices here and I refresh that, you'll see that the status has changed, so the customer has viewed it. It's as easy as that to get invoices set up, created, sent to your client, and paid. Super easy, free plugin that adds invoices to WordPress sites. So check out the link in the show notes below, and good luck with that for your business. Thank you for watching.